Welcome back to Further Solutions Academy. Further Solutions Academy. Don't forget to share our videos, subscribe to our channel. Currently, things is not very friendly in Nigeria. No light, and things is not very. Please help us to manage the condition of this country. And if there is any comments, try to leave a comment behind. No problem. On this video, I'll be working on logic. Logic is another part of mathematics, a branch of mathematics that relates with what statements. Now, what we are going to be talking on this video, let me call it outline. The outline, we'll be talking about, let me write the outline down because of our time. Okay, this is all what we need to cover on this video. The first one, definition of logic, meaning of proposition, compound statements, true value and false value, connectivities, and use of symbol and example. By the end of this video, you should be able to understand all this. If not, there is problem. And just in case, if you want to reach us, you can call us. Our number is here and is everywhere. And okay, now, when we talk about the definition. Okay, the first one, definition. When we talk about the definition of this logic, we are talking about the basic problem of logic is the analysis. Just note that is the word analysis. Of the methods of reasoning. Now, that is what we are doing in logic. At this point of logic, we want to come and reason. We want to think. Okay, when you tell me something, what will it be the contradiction of that statement? Will it be true? Okay, if and only if, what will happen? Do you get me now? It means the basic problems of logic is the what? Analysis of what? Of method of reasoning. Well, when we talk about reasoning, reasoning is this, when you reason, it means before you can reason, there must be what? Somebody must speak on it. Kind of, you have to think of something, you have to think of, that is, now on your reasoning, you have to think of the variable, what will affect your reasoning. Do you get me right? Now, you have to think of, those things, we call it influence. Do you get me now? And from your influence, from your variables, you generate your influence, from that you generate your conclusion. Now, that is what we mean by what? This analysis. Now, another thing you need to understand here now is that we have what is called proposition. Proposition is just like, when we talk about proposition, Now, proposition is just like statement that is being released. A statement that is being what? Released. Now, when we talk about the compound statement, the same thing as what? Compound proposition. Compound proposition also the same thing as compound statement. It means we are talking about something is compound. For instance, a statement may consist of two or more simple statements or sub-statements. Do you get me now? That is called compound proposition. When you have two or more statements, simple statement or sub-statement, that is called compound proposition. Do you get me now? For example, look at this compound. Dele, my name is Dele, this is my name, is an intelligent Dele is an intelligent and courageous guy. Now, a courageous boy. Let me use a boy. Now, look at this statement. Dele is an intelligent and courageous. Now, this is a what? One. Can you see? This is one. One. And what? Courageous is two. Can you see? Simple. This is called compound proposition. Compound proposition. Now, I think with that you should understand what is called compound proposition. And the next thing I want you to understand is, please, I want you to understand what is called true value. True value. Now, true value, look at me. Dele is tall. Look at Dele is tall. Is it true? Am I tall? I think it's yes, true. Now, 3 plus 2 equals to 5. Is it true? True. Now, let me talk about Abuja. Abuja is a town in Nigeria. It is what? True. Now, another thing can also, Ilupeju Ekiti is a town, in Nigeria. True. Now, can you see that Dele is tall? My name, I'm also, am I tall? I don't know. I'm tall. I think it's tall. True. 3 plus 5 equals to 3 plus 2 equals to 5. True. Abuja is a town in Nigeria. True. Now, Ilupeju Ekiti, that is the name of my town, hometown, is a town in Nigeria. True. Now, let me now try to explain what is called force value. Force value. Now, force value, look at this. 2 plus 5 is equals to 7. Force. Abuja is a town. In London. Force. Or UK. Let me just use UK. United Kingdom. UK. Force. What else can I say? 15 minus 2 is equals to what? 10. Force. Can you see that is what is called force value? It means they are not true. Now, I think I've explained this, and by now you should understand that. Okay, I think, can you see it's very simple to understand this type of mathematics, this branch of mathematics. Okay, now, let's talk about connection or connectivity. Now, connectivities, they are the word that connect words together. They are the words that connect words together. For example, we are talking about or, and, not. Then, if, and, only, if. Now, these are the things that can have thought of now. We have for and not. Now, then, if and only if. That is what we need to understand on this part of mathematics. That is what we need to understand again. Now, they are words used to what? Connect proposition. They are called what? Logical connectivity. These are called logical connectivity. logical connectives. Now that's what it's called. That is that. Now let's try to work on use of symbols. That is when I need to explain very well. Use of symbol. Now I have connectivities and I have symbol and I have names of compound. Now look at this. Not. We also use this symbol. This is for not. We have and we have or. If, then. This one is if and only if. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's work on this 5. Now this is and, this is symbol for and, or this is symbol for all. Now if then and if and only if. Now the name given to them, this is called negation. Negation. This is called conjunction, and this one is called disconjunction, and this one is called conditional, and this one is called biconditional. Now that is what we need to understand now. Now, at this junction, let me try to explain some certain things. We talk about negation. Negation is attribute of Mr. Dele. Dele is not tall. Now, Dele is tall. Now, this is what? P, which is true. Okay. Dele is not tall. That means this is what? Not tall. Can you see? That is negation of the statement. Now, conjunction, it means anytime you see and, you will surely talk about what? Conjunction. Dele is tall and is handsome. Dele is tall and is handsome. Nigeria is a country and Ilupeju Ekiti is inside Nigeria. Now, it means Nigeria is a country. That can be P. That is P. Ilupeju is what? Q. If I want to represent that, this one will be what? Ilupeju, sorry. P and Q. Please, that is repetition. Now, this one, this conjunction means we are talking about or. You will say Dele or, okay, either Dele or Eunice is coming to teach us today. It means one of them will come to teach. It means when you have Dele or Eunice, can you see? Is coming to teach us today. Now, conditional statement. Conditional statements, we are talking about something like, how do I say that? P implies Q is defined as a force if P is true and Q is false, and true is also all. Now, let me quickly explain this conditional statement because it's another problem I have to put conditional. Permit me to write this down. Now, conditional, the proposition P implies Q is defined to D to be false if P is true and Q is false and true is all other cases. Now look at this. I have P, I have Q. Now this is going to be P implies Q. Take note of this very well. Now if I have two tables T false and T true false. Now P implies Q. P implies Q. Look at this. True is true. True false. True false. If P is true and then is what? Is true. It means P is true and that is true, then it is what? P is true and this one will be false. This is true, it means it will be what? True. False. If both are both are false, it will be what? True. That is. Now, can you see? True, false, it will be what? False. And false, true, it will be what? Now, this is what you are resting upon. The only thing that will change it is true, don't consider that. And false, which one will give you true. That is by conditional. Now, let me try to explain what is called conditional. That is conditional. Let me try to explain what is called biconditional. Biconditional is always in like this. That is biconditional. Now, biconditional, let me just put biconditional. Now, I don't like this dot type. It's not very good. Now, biconditional. Biconditional is just like that. Now, the propositional P of Q defined to be true when P and Q have the same true value and false if they have different values. Now, I have P, I have true. P implies Q. Now, this is true, false. Now, I have true, false, true, false. Look at this. True will surely be true. True, false will surely be what? False. This will surely be what? False. Now, false will surely be what? True. That's what is called biconditional. That is called biconditional. Now, that is what is called biconditional. Don't forget that it's very simple. Just try to understand. The statements are what? Just open. The propositional statement, which is P, is defined to be or true when P and Q have the same truth value, and false if they have different values. False. When they have, look at this, it will be false. It will be false. True, true, it will be true. False, false, it will be true. That is what biconjunctional is all about. Now, let me try to generate one or two examples for better understanding. Now, let me try to generate two or more examples for better understanding. Okay, now. Okay, look at this question. Let D and F stand for, first one, Dele is smart. Second one, F, which is Francis is tall. Francis is one of my students. Which statement has the same meaning as? Now, look at this. This one means what? It means I will be talking about Dele is not smart. That is the meaning. Now, look at this. Dele and Francis. That is the meaning. Now, it means Dele is smart. Smart, and Francis is tall. Now, the next one is, I'm talking about Francis or Dele implies Francis. It means if Francis is tall or Dele is smart, then Francis is tall. Can you see what I'm saying now? If Francis is tall or Dele is smart, then Francis is tall. That's what we mean. Now, can you see? This is all, which is, I've explained that is called conjunction. This one is called disconjunction. And this one is called negation. And this one is called if and if, which is called conditional. Sorry. This is what? Let me quickly explain that. This is called conditional. This is called conjunction. And this is called negation. Please take note of that. Now, let me show another example on this part. Let me write out another problem. Okay, sorry for the noise pollution. I think. Okay, look at this question. Okay, let's work on this statement. If P, Q, and R stand for, P stand for birds fly. Q stand for the sky is blue. R stand for the grass. This is grass, sorry. The grass is green. The grasses is what? Green. Now, number one, write the sentence that has the same meaning as this, which is P 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Number two, use the proposition P, Q, and R of the above, this one, problem. Write the symbolic representation of, number one, the sky is blue and the grass is, the grass is what? Green. Two, the birds fly, or the sky is blue. 3, the bird do not fly and the sky is not blue. 4, if the grass is green and the sky is not blue, then birds do not fly. Let's try to work on this thing. It's a very simple one. Let's try to work on it. Now, I just want to work on this particular part. The first one is, when you see something like this, it means birds can not fly. Bird cannot fly. Hope I'm not making a mistake. Bird cannot, or bird do not fly. Sorry, let me use 2. Bird do not fly. That is, we call it negation. That is negative statement. If something is happening, the negation is going back, not happening. Now look at this. P and Q. Now, what is my P? My P, birds fly, and that is the, what is there? And the sky is blue. Bird is fly and the sky is what? Blue. Now look at this. P or Q. It means that this one means, let me just write it like this. Symbol and let me just questions and solutions. Now this one, I have the next one. It means bird fly, or birds fly, or sky, or the sky is blue. And you see, that's what I'm talking about. Now look at this one. I have P, not P, or Q. Not P or Q. It means birds do not fly, or birds do not fly, or the sky is blue. Birds do not fly. Birds do not fly, or not off. Sorry, I think I'm writing off. Or this is the resting upon, or the sky is blue. Now the next one, I have A, B, C, D. I'm now on E. This one is P of and R. It means birds fly and bird flies and the sky is blue. The sky is blue and the grass is green. Is green. Now, birds fly and the sky is blue and the grass is green. Because of this, these are called and. The next one, P and, not P and not R. Now this one is negation. Can you see? If that is the case, if I've done a yes, if that is the case, it means birds flies and the sky is not blue, is not blue, and the grass is not green. That is what you are going to do. Can you see? Not is not, is not, or do not, whatever you want to do it. That is what that is that. Now look at this. H. Now G, let's talk about G. G is talking about not P or not Q. Look at not P or not Q. Now it means, what is my P? Bed, birds, do not fly, or, can you see or? What is my Q? The sky is not blue. Can you see that? That is what we are talking about. Now look at this. This one is very, very nice one. You know, P and Q implies R. P and Q implies R. What I'm going to do here is that it means the bird fly, sorry, I'm not making a mistake. It means, now there is a conditional. If there is conditional, there will be attachment of if birds fly and the sky is blue, then, now that is then the grass is green. Then the grass is green. Can you see? That is what about that? If the bird fly and the sky is blue, then, can you see this? If and then, that is what we are playing with.